Alright, this morning we're doing 8-3 solving right triangles. Just a quick recap. Remember, saw, ka, tua, if you watch the YouTube videos, or some old hippie caught a hippie tripping on acorns. And that means sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Those are our trig ratios. Something that we're going over today is we're solving right triangles. So we're working our way backwards. We're figuring out how to find angle measurements when they're unknown. So we have this figure right here, and I'm going to label mine. That's angle 1 and angle 2. And they gave us that this is worth 6 centimeters. This side's 4.8 centimeters, and this side is 3.6. And it says use trig ratios to find out which angle is angle A. Oh, hold on. Yeah, which angle is angle A if the cosine of A is 0.6 degrees. So we know cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And we don't know which angle is angle A. Angle A could be down here or it could be down here, but we know that the cosine of it is going to be equivalent to 0.6. So we need to find the cosine of both of those. So if we find the cosine of angle 1, remember cosine's adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. And then cosine of angle 2, adjacent to that will be 4.8 divided by 6. Type both of those in our calculator. 3.6 divided by 6 is equal to 0.6, and 4.8 divided by 6 is equal to 0.82. So the answer is angle 1. Angle 1 is angle A. So that's angle A. And so we found out which one was the one that's 0.6. So going to our next part, we're going to be looking at inverse trig functions. If you look on your calculator on sine, right above sine is sine to the -1. That's the inverse. You use sine inverse when you're going backwards and you're trying to find the angle measurement. On the previous problems we've done, it might say sine of 48 degrees equals this. Now we don't know what the degree measure is. We don't know what's in the triangle. We don't know sine 48. We know sine unknown. So when you're finding the unknown, you use the inverse functions. And so if you look for the inverse, that's when we use like, it says if sine of A is equal to X, then sine inverse, sine to the -1 of A is equal to the measurement of angle A. And if cosine of A is equal to X, then cosine inverse of A will find us the measurement of angle A. And the last one, if tan of A equals X, then then tan inverse of A is equal to the measurement of angle A. So if we're looking for the actual angle measurement, now we're using the inverse function. Everybody got that? And okay. Oh, sorry. It's too early in the morning for this. Those are supposed to be sine inverse X. Inverse A. We're looking for the angle. X, my bad. So here we're just practicing. Remember, now is the time when you must, it's an absolute must, put your calculator in degree mode. So you go to mode, go down to degree, and press enter. Because on problems like this, cosine inverse, so we have to press second cosine 0.5 in order to find the degree, the actual degree. you have to put it in degree mode, so that's 60 degrees. Sine inverse of 0.45, that is 26.7 degrees. And tan inverse of 3.2, that is equivalent to 72.6 degrees. Most of the time they tell you round the degrees to the whole number, so this will be equivalent to 30, and this one will probably be equivalent to 73 degrees. Why I say 30? I told you, sorry. I'm tired. 26 doesn't round to 30, it rounds to 27 degrees. And so when we round those up, that's what it will look like. I'm gonna pause right here for a second.